Hello, my name is Artem. I am 19 years old. I am student of Siberian State, Automobile and Highway University. My future profession is HVAC technician, heating, ventilation and air conditioning. Even though I'm still a student, I already have experience in construction. This summer I got a lot of experience. In June I built a climbing center with many different climbing walls, and also my education as HVAC technician helped to build the air conditioning system. In August I tried myself as unskilled laborer at a huge construction site of a new Gazprom block. In the future I plan to create a team specializing in air conditioning and ventilation of premises and private houses. In my opinion, teamwork will provide the shortest time in which we'll be able to prepare the project, coordinate it with the management and proceed installation. If you have any question, please contact me by email or call me on my telephone number.